Hi, good morning. This is Dr. Will with another self-help video or how-to video. This is a video on how to paint wooden blinds. We've just done the floor. I've done a video which you can watch up here on how to paint wooden floorboards. Today I'm going to paint these wooden blinds. I've got some special gloss spray paint. You need to shake it up for a couple of minutes. And then we're just going to see how that goes. So I'll probably speed up this video. I wanted to share this is the very cost-effective way of spraying your blinds and giving your house a brand new look. Good for the wrist. And most important, we must put our mask on because these paints are quite strong and toxic. Okay, that's the first bit. It's not bad, but the worst thing in the fumes. The fumes are dreadful, but it's like working in a nail shop, 100 times worse. I'm just going to take some fresh air. Here we have the finished result. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do subscribe to my channel. So once again, this is how to spray wooden blinds